Yep. Ah, there we go. There we go. Hey boujie besties, welcome back. We are doing another hair review. I have Corinne here. She's actually gonna do my hair. I'm getting my hair did, y'all. But she's gonna be doing like a bridal look on me for her portfolio. And when she had texted me, I was like, girl, can I practice this? I was like, hell yeah. But literally perfect opportunity because this hair review landed, you know, around this week. I have this hair in my head right now.
It feels great, by the way.
It honestly is so soft. So this hair is by Sunkissed Hair Co. Black owned company. Love her. This is actually my second time reviewing her hair, but the first time I didn't do it on YouTube. I more so did it on like TikTok. I have 3 bundles of 30 inches in my head and then a closure. This is raw Indian hair, and guys, it is so divine. It's so soft. It's so pretty. So I like made it into a wig, but check this lace out. Like, where is it? It disappeared as soon as I put it on my head. Literally. But I'm gonna stand up and show you guys the lens. Here's the lens. Beautiful. I'm 5'4". Yeah. I'm also gonna link Corinne's IG down below. She does bridal makeup and hair in Orlando. She travels, right?
Yes. All over Florida.
So if you getting hitched, hit her up. She'll get you right. I filmed an unboxing for this hair and the footage is just gone. Poof, bye-bye. I have no idea where the footage is. I went ahead and did like an unboxing without the product just so you guys can see the packaging. Love their packaging. Their packaging is undefeated. Like, look how beautiful this is with the crystal knob. So cute. It came with a beautiful gold dust bag, this gorgeous gold comb, some care tips, thank you card, which is such a nice touch. And I have worked with this brand before and did an unboxing on TikTok. Bundles, so beautiful, so soft, thick from root to end. Look at this wave. This natural wave is so beautiful. Hey people. So as I had mentioned before, Corinne was doing my hair for her bridal portfolio. This is the bridal hair with the headband. It came out so cute. She took it out after and then curled my fronts for me just so I could be able to wear it out and about. I'm never gonna break your heart again.
Right.
Pass me as I wasn't done. I wasn't there yet.
Oh. Sorry.
Guys, this hair is curling so nice.
I know, it does.
Now, mind you, she is using some product, but...
Yes, I'm using professional product.
Yeah, professional product. But other than that, like, it's curling really, really... Well, she says it's curling really, really
yeah,
nicely.
I like how it
she
curls.
does hair, so... She knows what she's talking about.
So that's that.
Yeah, that's that on that.
It's the, so that's that.
But I'm gonna check back when we're done. Here's the final result. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys the bike.
Bite. Yes.
Wait, can you see it?
Yeah, you can. Yep. Ah, there we go. There we go.
Y'all, my hair has never looked this good. I don't even know how to, I'm not even gonna know how to act. I'll be like,
not act.
I might know how to act.
I don't know how to egg.
But thank you so much, Corinne. I'm gonna link her down below. And you guys have to get your quinceañera hair, your prom, wedding, if you're gonna be a wedding guest, if you're gonna be watching from the other side of the gate, get your hair done right there. Hey boujie besties, it's been about 2.5 weeks since I've been wearing this hair. So far, this is my favorite company for bundles. Like, I have not had better hair than this. So this is raw virgin Indian hair and it's 30 inches throughout. And then I have a closure. I'm gonna link like everything down below. So I did make a wig. That took so long. I'm not like the best wig maker, but child, I could do what it do. I can make it look presentable from the outside, but do not take the wig and flip it inside out. It ain't gonna look pretty. So I genuinely think that these wefts are sealed, only because I'm not 100% sure. After I had did the initial wash and it was kind of like drying down and I was like separating the wefts, it was like there was this like sticky film going on in the weft area. Once it dried, it wasn't sticky anymore. The tackiness went away, but I think that was some weft sealer. That explains why this hair does not shed. Initially, when Corinne did my hair, like she was rough with it, y'all. Like she was going in and barely any hair came out. This hair is very durable, very sturdy. It's manufactured so beautifully. When Corinne did my hair, she had like wanded it and like teased it and stuff. And first of all, the tease was really easy to get out. It didn't like dread up on me. I was really afraid about that. The curls that Corinne did in my hair lasted for a week. A week. Like it just gradually fell into a beautiful beach wave. But even up until I had to wash it again, they were still there. This hair holds a curl. Like it holds curls very, very, very well. Out of all the hairs I have ever reviewed, this hair holds curls the longest. This hair is so soft, literally does not get tangled. This is all 30-inch. And you guys know when you have like super long hair, it tends to get like tangled. Currently I'm wearing it in its natural state. I didn't manipulate the curls or anything at all. This is its natural wavy state. I gave it its second wash. All I added was like some heat protectant because I did blow dry this hair because I had to be somewhere. Okay, I had to be somewhere, but I blow dried it. Like, I don't know if you guys know that towel method, like when you put your hair in a towel and you fold it over and you put the blow dryer under the towel and kind of like incubates the heat a little. That's what I did. Other than that, I love this hair so freaking much. And y'all, the freaking closure, the freaking closure, guys. I should have filmed this yesterday when I first installed it because like I kind of washed my face and stuff and it got a little wet and it lifted a little bit. But you guys, best lace I've ever worn. Best lace, hands down. The best lace I have ever worn in my freaking life. This lace is so freaking thin. I'm literally not doing any baby hairs and I'm so confident about it because it literally looks like my hairline. My friend Jazzy saw my hair and she was like, "Did you install your own hair?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she goes, "It looks laid." She was like, "No, it looks really good, Mirror." She calls me Mirror. And I'm like, "Really?" And then like I had like got in the car and like really looked at it and I was like, "Oh my God, it looks really, really good." I do need to like pluck this a little bit to make it look a little bit more natural. I did bleach the knots. They're not thick at all. They lifted pretty easily. I did over bleach it a little bit. I did have to like go in and like do some black spray up here because I over bleached it. I'm not a hairstylist, okay? I 100% recommend this hair company. This is actually my second time working with this hair company. The first time I did something for them on TikTok. I honestly didn't have time to do a review, but the first time around she just sent me 4 bundles and I used like a different closure from a different company. This time around she sent me 3 bundles and then her own closure. Love that it's thick from root to end. I don't have any product in this hair. The only thing I put in was heat protectant before I like blow dried it, but there's no serums or anything in this hair. So it, you know, it is frizzing up at the ends a little bit. All right, I'm gonna stand up for you guys. This is how long the hair is. I'm 5'4" and I have a short torso, so. But this is where the hair is to me. So right here. And then in the back, right under my butts. And look how it moves. Like this hair, like it's so airy and beautiful. Again, this hair is from Sunkissed Co. Don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys next time.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight.